I no longer have to worry about recording videos without a microphone or having CapCut and knowing watermarks tick embarrassingly on my videos because I found a way to use CapCut Pro without paying monthly subscription literally for one whole year. And no, I'm not talking about all the hack that many YouTubers show you, whereby you have to record your screen after using Pro features. Even I am guilty of this. I mean, that method sucks because you can't even use it for longer form videos. Raise your hand in the comment section if you agree with me.
So this is my Capcut Pro account, and if I come to my profile, I'll click on this and you can see that Capcut Pro benefit has been unlocked. Even though you're still seeing this Pro on my account, I actually use all the Pro features. I get to upload my videos without having to, pay for subscription, right? So even the video you watched earlier was actually done using the teleprompter. Normally, you can't use the teleprompter feature except you are a subscribed user, right? So if I go to new projects, I'm going to edit this video to remove the noise in the background, and you're going to be seeing that I can download this video without any issues, right? So I'm going to come to enhance voice and I'll click on enhance. So you can see that the enhance voice is also a pro feature, but I'm going to go on to download this video. I've applied the enhance voice feature. I would have also applied the noise cleanup feature, but because of I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to be leaving it at that. Normally, after applying a pro feature, you're going to be seeing, and you're not a paid subscriber, you're going to be seeing the pro label show up on your video, showing to you that before you export that video, you have to pay, right? Now I'm going to also apply other features like paid stickers. So I'm going to click on stickers and I'm going to be adding some pro stickers, right? Some stickers that are premium features. So I'll click on this subscribe, for instance. So I can actually go on ahead to add any pro feature that I want to add. But let me change the aspect ratio of this video.
I no longer have to worry about recording videos without a microphone.
Alright, great. So what I'm going to do next is to export this video, right? So I'm going to click on export and you're going to be seeing that it's going to be exporting, and it's going to be exporting without asking me to pay any subscription fee, right? Now, I did not pay the monthly subscription like I told you. I didn't pay the 9,000 naira or almost 10,000 naira that is the monthly subscription fee, right? I didn't do any of that. Now, what exactly did I do? I'm going to be telling you shortly. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out when I post similar videos just like this one.
So how exactly did I get to use Capcut Pro with all the features without paying for subscription? Well, it's simple. I got access to a shared account for 1 year at half the price for a month's subscription. I mean, it's a no-brainer, and that's like getting it for free, right? So what this means is that people buy or subscribe to the shared or team account and resell to others who make up their team members and then get access to the same account, right? So Capcut Pro monthly subscription costs about 9,000 naira Nigerian naira, which is like $6, right? But I got a whole year's subscription for half the price of a month subscription, which is like 3,000 naira or $2. So, however, after my purchase, I checked the expiration date and I saw that the date on it was January, right? So I got back to the person who sold it to me and he said I shouldn't worry and all that, right? So I'm keeping my fingers crossed for January to see if it's going to be expiring. If it doesn't expire, good for me. Even if it does expire, I mean, I've been able to enjoy all these features at this little price, right? So if you're interested in this, I'm going to be leaving the link to my WhatsApp in the description so that you can come to me and I'll give you access to the person who, sold it to me so that you can also get access to this shared account and start to enjoy CapCut Pro benefits at almost no price at all. So if you've stayed up until this tutorial and you did got value, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be aware when I post similar videos like this, showing you how to make money online and how to do certain things in the online space that makes your life and your business's life easy. So until next time, bye for now.